Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make zippered pencil pouches. For this DIY, you will need a gallon-sized freezer bag, duct tape, scissors, and a ruler. Make a mark 5 inches from the top of your bag on both sides. And cut from one mark to the other. Cut a piece of duct tape about 1 inch longer than the length of your bag and bring your bag about halfway down the duct tape so that the corners are like this. Then cut a square off of the corners like that so that you are able to fold in this little tab. And bring it up to form the bottom of your bag. Then continue to add strips of duct tape until your entire bag has been covered. After I've completely covered the pencil bag in duct tape, I like to put it inside a heavy book and leave it there for a few hours just to make sure that it's nice and stuck. Ta-da! That's all you need to do. This is such a cool and easy DIY project. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. I do DIY recipe and lifestyle videos. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys next week. Bye!